Hello students, welcome to the channel. We are studying English grammar. The topic for today is modal verbs. We are going to study some confusing modal verbs, what is the difference between them and what is the correct usage. We are going to study can, could, will, would, may, might and must. So let us start. Let us start with can or could. Can or could is used to indicate a possibility, that means to indicate something which is possible. Could is used to show that something is possible but not certain, that means something is possible but we are not sure that it is going to happen. For example, they could come home by car. It is a possibility that they could come home by car, but we are not sure they could even come home by some other means. Can is used for a general statement about what is possible. There's no question about certainty or uncertainty. For example, it can be very cold in winter. Now this is a very general statement. The second usage is to make a guess. In this case, we actually don't know what is going to happen or what has happened. We are just making a guess. We can use could or could have to make a guess. For example, they could have arrived by now. Could or could have is also used to show that they have the ability but they did not do it. For example, she could have learned cooking but she didn't want to. That means she had the ability to learn but she did not want to because she was not interested. The third use is about ability. Ability means what we can do. Can is used for present or future ability. For example, he can swim like a fish. Now this is a present ability. Could is used to indicate past ability. For example, I could walk 5 miles when I was young. Now this is a past ability. Even if you look at the verb here, which is was, it is in the past tense. The fourth use is request. Can, could, both are used to make request, but could is more polite. For example, can I borrow your pen? Could I borrow your pen? The fifth use is for asking permission. We use can. For example, you can go now. For giving permission, we use can. Example, you can go now. Sixth usage is suggestion. Could is used to give suggestion. Example, we could meet at the weekend. Now this is a suggestion. The seventh usage is offers. Can or could, both of these can be used for offers. For example, I can do this. If you like, I could give you a lift. That's all. We will learn the other modal verbs in the next video.